Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top governance tokens by volume. We've sorted it by volume and we'll take a look at coins with a market cap under $1 billion. Let's get straight into it. We'll do ENS, Altlayer, down to DFI.Money, yes, and skip all those with more than 1 billion. So like APE, ICP, Uniswap, we're skipping it. Maker, we're skipping it. Synthetics, we're skipping it. We'll look at medium low cap coins. Shall we? Let's get straight into it. Ethereum service ENS is above the skinny pink line, which means that we're already in a bullish trend. I would assume that this is 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. We're in the midst of a wave 2. Wave 2 is going to take several months. But we started, where was this? January, right? We're down January, up. Now it's February. I think we'll come down. We're gonna come out for February, and then March, then maybe April, and then pump. We'll break out. That's my guess, right? If you look at this candlestick on the daily, this looks bearish. So I'm assuming that there's more downside for ENS against BTC. But the high time frame is we are above the skinny pink line. ENS against USDT. Here we are for ENS. Same thing. We're above the skinny pink line. So we are going to assume that this is already a bullish trend and we are going to continue towards the upside for ENS, and we are consolidating. Sure, there is some selling happening, but I would assume that we will drop to sub 20 again. We're at 21.83. This doesn't really fill me with confidence. I think we're going to drop a little bit first, and after that, we'll see a breakout towards the upside for ENS, right? And if ENS were to truly fulfill its fullest potential, it could be another 200%. Potentially. So yeah, we'll take things one step at a time for ENS. Alt against BTC. So Smartest Money just announced he bought some alt. So for alt, we are, okay, it's a new coin. Not much info for alt, and I think that alt is overvalued at 380 million. But we're already in a bull season, so who cares if it's overvalued, right? If the chart pattern comes in, then sure, I will take a trade for it. But there's nothing for alt BTC on the higher time frames, right? Again, nothing much on the higher time frames. We might do something like this though, hopefully. And after that, yeah, we could come back to alt eventually. Skipping Aave, skipping ICP, skipping Uniswap, going down to PancakeSwap. Cake against BTC. Here we are for Cake. And okay, so here is PancakeSwap. We are still under the skinny pink line. We are not truly above it yet. We could still, there's danger that we could still drop lower. This whole thing could form a head and shoulders. And we could still head lower for Cake against BTC, right? Until you see strong rally towards the upside, breaking up the skinny pink line and staying above it. Until this happens. If it doesn't happen, then yeah, we could still do something like this, right? I mean, at this point of time, right? Let's just do a replay. Let's say at this point of time, right? You were seeing this, right? We are above the skinny pink line, right? And you would think that that things would still be bullish, right, from here. But yeah, eventually it came back down. So that's why it's very important. Once you break the skinny pink line, right, you have to stay above it. You cannot come back down, because the moment you come back down, then that's it, right? We respect the skinny pink line. Once it's down, that's it. And we're not really truly up yet, so I'd be careful about PancakeSwap. Against USD, okay, the USD pair has potential. USD pair is above the skinny pink line. So yeah, sure, we could also get head and shoulders here. But I'm feeling better about the USD pair. Reason being, I could see 1, 2, 3, 4. This is very likely a 5-wave move, right? But of course, at the same time, this could be the completion of a head and shoulders. But we're above the skinny pink line, so we're gonna respect the skinny pink line and remain with a bullish bias, right? This whole thing could be a gigantic inverse head and shoulders, right? And if we really truly fulfill its potential, Pancake could be a 1,400% move. Right, more than that, potentially, yeah, potentially more than 1,000. That's a lot. It's a 10x, right? But of course, we would love it if we could get a higher quality type of a chart pattern. So again, we're gonna have to take things one step at a time for PancakeSwap. What's next? Worldcoin. Okay, Worldcoin. Where is this? Yeah, so Worldcoin is in a consolidation, accumulation. There was something like a squeeze over here, symmetrical triangle. We broke out, failed. We came back down, and we broke the support. So this whole thing is looking like a head and shoulders. You see this left shoulder. I'm not so sure if this is really the right shot. I'm gonna assume that potentially there could be another one here. We could still hit lower for WorldCoin. There is that danger. We could break back under 3,000. Right now I have 5,003. Potentially. Sweep up all of these clusters. Bring us to 3,000. Yeah, potentially. But again, we're not entirely sure, so we're not going to be pushing anything for WorldCoin. Gains USD. If we were to consider this weak, right, we're probably in an accumulation, right? Could we still drop lower? Yeah, of course. There could be a rally though. After that, we drop lower. This could be, again, 5 waves as well. Again, we're not entirely sure though for WorldCoin, so we're going to have to take things one step at a time for WorldCoin. Wait. Is ApeCoin under? Yeah, it's 500. Ape against BDC. I think Ape is undervalued, in my opinion. But again, we're still in a bearish trend. We could still hit much lower for Ape. No clear signs of a bullish reversal yet. Yeah, no. You can see that the volume has been increasing, so the whales have already started accumulating up, right? But I'm not sure if this is the bottom. Is this? No clue. No clue for us yet. Something like a hammer, but there's still strong selling pressure. Ape against USD. Ape against USD still... We're not too sure though, right? You can pull a support line across. And this whole thing is like a mountain range, like a head and shoulders maybe. Oh my god, not too sure. If we slow down as we approach the lower levels, right, then maybe we could be curving back up. Hence, I have an alert here. So sometimes if you were to come across coins where there's an alert, this means I'm watching the coin. So if we do something like this, then yeah, this would be awesome, right? But we want to see, I mean, if this were to be a nice wave C, right, it has to start slowing down. So yeah, I think Ape is undervalued. I would love to take a stab at Ape, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. It's a few weeks away from completing its move down. I still think there's another lower move though. You can see that, I mean, even if you disregard this, right, this is like a mountain range, like a descending triangle in the making. So yeah, be careful. Be careful. Dash. Okay, Dash is dying a slow death. Dash against BDC is down. It's under the skinny pink line. Look at this. It's down. Ever since breaking the skinny pink line way back in 2017, Dash has been on a downer. Against USD, we have just formed a high quality, ladies and gentlemen, head and shoulders. This is a very high quality head and shoulders. We are very close to collapsing. We are at $26 right now. Head and shoulders should bring us down to 21. Right, and if the momentum continues, $15. So this will be a 44% move for Dash. We're anticipating much more downside for Dash. This is not good. It's not good, boys. Yeah, it's been very bearish. So yeah, Dash is a short though. UMA! Okay, UMA suddenly sprang up to life. And UMA is already above the skinny pink line. Look at this. Strong buying pressure. Oh, we love this kind of move. How much lower are we gonna go? Again, we're not too sure. But we're anticipating a very nice consolidation over here as UMA hits higher. That's the expectation. Will we get it? Not too sure. UMA against USD. Here we are. Yeah, it's all invalidated. I think that UMA is also in a consolidation. Again, the question we always ask is how low are we going to go? Right. I think we're going to clear this low first though. So sub $4. Very close to the end. Hopefully a bounce. Get a B, C, D, E out. Ooh, this will be awesome. We're above the skinny pink line. Way above it. So more upsides to be expected for UMA. Next will be Curve. CRV, BDC. Here we are for Curve. Anything for Curve? Yeah, no. It reminds you of Dash, doesn't it? Still under the skinny pink line. More downside. Against USD. Michael, what you doing, Michael? Look at this. Look at this, a head and shoulders. Oh my god, Michael. But of course, at the same time, this is a 1, 2, 3, There could be another one. And then we could be reversing, right? It's very important that curve holds this low. Because the moment we take out these lows, that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. We're going much lower. So, yeah, I don't know. Curve is weak. It's super weak. Maker is above. Nope. Arkham. ARKM. BTC. I think Arkham is undervalued as well. Arkham is in a consolidation, accumulation, something like that, right? Accumulation. Breakout soon? Again, we're not too sure. Could we sweep the lows? Maybe? Sure. Get an inverse head and shoulders here? Something like that. See this? Maybe? Again, not too sure. We're not too sure. Against USD, this is Arkham. Yeah, again, we could sweep the lows here. Right. There is danger here though. But of course, at the same time, you can argue that we could be getting an ascending, breaking up for Arkham. So, yeah, again, we're not entirely sure when it comes to Arkham. DeFi.Money. DeFi, DYF. I think it got hacked previously. So, that's why you see a strong sell for DFI. Sorry, YFI. Anything? Yeah, no, it's very messy. Very, very messy. Very volatile though, but not really that predictable. Okay, here you can consider this as predictable. Yes, yes, here, yes. Here, here, yes, yes, yes. Yeah, I can see weakness. Zoom. Right. Here, yeah, nope. Not too sure, but it's not looking good. It's not looking good, boys and girls. So be careful about YF2. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's governance tokens. TA. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-da!